Alright, welcome to your first session. In this session, you're going to go ahead and just learn the basic navigation of Apple and ProPresenter. Since we use Apple at the church a lot, and we also use ProPresenter for slides. Okay, the first thing about Apple is that I'm going to go ahead and show you is how to load up programs. Normally they're going to be here on the dock, but if they're not, you can just hit Command space and it's gonna bring up Spotlight, and you just type in the program that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and load up text edit, and as you type it, it's gonna go ahead and select it for you. Just hit enter and there it is. Now text edit, you can also use it in place of Word, Microsoft Word. Just in case for some reason it's not available, you can use this program and it works the same way. Okay, and you can go ahead and do that for ProPresenter. Just hit Command space and start typing ProPresenter, and it'll go ahead and find ProPresenter and just hit enter. So it's gonna go ahead and load it. Okay, normally when you open up ProPresenter, it's gonna look like this. Okay, in this area right here where the mouse is moving, this is the library. This is where all your songs and sermons are located. If you ever gotta add another presentation, you just go right here to the little plus button and hit it. You just type in whatever you want to call that file. If it's a song, you just type in the song name. Okay, down here is the playlist. This is just like in iTunes, you can go ahead and create your own playlist. Okay, so you just hit the little plus button and put in the date. Okay, you can go ahead and just drag any file in here, and it's just an easy way to access the files that you need for the service. Okay, now as far as slides, there's two ways of editing slides. You can right click on the slide itself and go to quick edit and double click. Then you just hit the X, or you can do the full edit mode by going down here and clicking on edit. Okay, now in full edit mode you have more options. If you click on the text, you can go ahead and right here where it says size, you can type in a different number, hit enter, and it'll change the font size. Okay, in order to access these additional options, you gotta make sure that you select the text, otherwise it's going to gray them out just like this and you won't be able to access them. Okay, so select it, and you can also change the font to a different font right here. Whenever you see that watch, it just means it's loading. Okay, and then if you want to exit out of this full edit mode, you just hit the X up here. Okay, down here we have backgrounds. You're normally only gonna have the background for your sermon down here, and the way to put him on a slide is you press and hold Command, and notice how this button was pressed in, and as you're still holding Command, go ahead and drag that picture into the slide. And that's how you drag backgrounds. If you want to go ahead and remove it, just right click on it and remove JPEG, or remove that picture. Alright, and that's about it. Go ahead and continue with session 2.